Hey tubers, thought I'd do a check on my my toe end on my front suspension. I actually had played with it earlier, but I thought I'd after I made the adjustment, I rolled the car back and forth a little bit, and then let's check it out and see how close we are right now. So this is my toe-in checker. It's actually something from Snap-on. Let's see if we can get that in focus there. Kind of a relic, I think, but let's see how it works. Let's slide it in on the front. Bring that over against the sidewall there. And bring this in. And if we look real close here, we can see that it's at 0 right there. Okay. It's got a little bit of a gap. Now, I'm not going to tighten that up. I'm going to swing this around and slide it in behind the tire. Let's see if we can maneuver it through there. Okay, there we go. Now, if I tip it up, do I have enough room? Yeah, I think I do. What are we hitting? Yeah. I think we might be able to do it. There we go. Okay. Okay, we do have clearance. Okay, let's loosen this up. Bring this forward. And I think what we'll do is we'll set this to 0 right there. And tighten that down and then bring that in. Okay, so at this point, that's zeroed. Now let's just bring it back around. Now, let's see what the front edge says. That one there. And we bring this gauge in. And that's how much toe in I have. And I think that looks pretty good to me. A little bit of toe. Well, we could check the, let's check the book and see what the spec says. Okay, we got our Mustang 2 manual here. Okay, let's see. Brakes, exhaust, suspension. Let's see. Front suspension 217. No spec. Oh, toe in. From 0 to 1/4 inch. Here it is. Zero to 1/4 inch. Now, the last thing I did was pull the car forward, so that means it's got the tension out. 0 to 1/4 inch. Yeah, that's what we can do. Little less than 1/4 inch. I like it. It works. That works. Let's see if I can lay this on here. Yeah, the highest point of the tire is right there. That's definitely less than 0 to 1/4 inch. I think that 1/4 inch is where it's going to stay. And that is the toe-in adjustment. Hey tubers, how's it going? Still working on wrapping up some of the stuff on the car here. Started putting in my base for my console, and with the way the carpeting is and that, I think I might just, there we go, fabricate the base in there and then build off of that in the car. I've got, with the different elevations and things and what I want to do, not too sure. Ordered up a USB charging port, and that'll be here in a few days. But let me show you what else showed up here that I didn't expect. My exhaust pipe wrap. It's a, you got gloves and everything. Here's the ties, and got going to use this to wrap the pipes, because I got some spots that are pretty close, and we'll have to just see how it goes. See what happens here when I get this on. But something else for me to work on. Of course, Bebbles has to check out the progress, don't you? Huh? Yeah, you do. You gotta come and check out the progress down in the shop. Yeah. What am I gonna do with you, huh? That's where I gotta work. You don't care. No, you don't care. You're just here to be keep Daddy company. Supervise. That's what you do. Isn't that right, huh? Do you supervise? Yes, you supervise, don't you? Okay. Okay. Well, I got the base where the base is going to be secured, put down. That'll hold the carpet in, and actually probably could have pulled that one in a little more, but that's okay. That looks good. But here's the scoop on what I'm starting with. This is, let's see here, put this in here, and basically that's going to be the side of the console right there. So I've got my parking brake and shift console marked out, and that, but now I can start. I don't want to go back too far into the area behind the seat, so I'll probably bring that up at an angle there, and I want to have some sort of armrest under the parking brake, but I got to leave clearance for the parking brake to come up, so there'll be a split, either a split armrest or something in the middle. And as far as cup holders go, this is they might have to go back on either side of the seat, back in there. What I might do is the top, have it flare out a little bit there, and put cup holders right on either side, but behind the armrests. But yeah. So I think what I'm going to do next, though, is actually cut the panel that'll fill the console area, finish that off out of that old oak door out of there. I think I'm going to put that in. Got the fog lamp switch and the other accessory switch and the heater control cables down off the back there, so I can integrate the console into the back of the dashboard. And there's Pebbly Poo. She just happy to be with Daddy. Kind of tuckered herself out. So, and I think we got enough here to maybe put a video out of the progress, this and that and the other things. So take care, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.